What's up guys, Elijah from Analog Kendama. I'm still alive, and we got a package from Analog Kendamas. I haven't gotten a Kendama in a while, but here we go. Just an unboxing of it, and I'll give my first impression, see what this analog hype's about. Got a nice analog bag with a stamp on there. Alright, let's get this thing open. Analog had a Black Friday sale, and this is their Untitled. We got that cream on there. That black dot, and we got the C shape all in beach. We got that portal hole right there. We got the engravings right there. Super nice. It's Christmas time, guys. I got that ET paint, got that black string, and got that nice gaping hole. It's gonna be a good setup. Inside we got a couple of things inside. An extra string, bag, full Kendama beach setup. Let's get